reflecting on and refining data-driven learning design practices. As with any teaching and learning approach, it is important to regularly reflect on and refine data-driven learning design practices. Reflection helps educators to evaluate the effectiveness of the approach, identify areas of improvement, and make necessary adjustments to ensure continued success. Here are some key considerations for reflecting on and refining data-driven learning design practice. 1. Assess the impact of data-driven learning design. Evaluate the effectiveness of data-driven learning design by analyzing the student performance data. Use this information to determine whether the approach is positively impacting students' learning outcomes. Identify areas where students are excelling and areas where they are struggling, and reflect on how to adapt learning experiences accordingly. 2. Solicit feedbacks from students. Students can provide valuable insight into effectiveness of data-driven learning design. Consider gathering feedback from students through surveys or focus groups to understand their experience and identify areas for improvement. 3. Collaborate with colleagues. Work with colleagues to share data and collaborate on strategies to improve data-driven learning design practices. Regularly discuss successes and challenges to individuals to identify best practices and areas for refinement. 4. Refine the approach based on evidence. Use evidence gathered through data analysis, student feedbacks, and collaboration with colleagues to refine the data-driven learning design approach. Make adjustments to learning activities, assessments, and other aspects of the approach to improve its effectiveness. 5. Stay up to date with emerging research. Stay informed about emerging research and best practices in data-driven learning design. Consider attending professional development opportunities and engaging with professional learning communities to stay current with new ideas and approaches. By regularly reflecting on and refining data-driven learning design practices, educators can continue to improve the students' outcomes and ensure that the approach remains effective and impactful.